Limited access to veterinary laboratory services in the rural areas leads to high livestock mortality and low productivity for farmers. And this is because diagnostics privatization has led to most vets moving to urban areas where they target companion animals like cats and dogs that promise better margins. This leads to exclusion in these rural areas. At Cherehani Labs, we're changing this. We're distributing veterinary labs in these rural areas using repurposed shipping containers that are solar powered. And then within these labs, we're able to conduct tests and provide targeted medication to these farmers. Samples are collected and brought to our labs, and we're able to communicate to the veterinary officers what we're seeing, and then they're able to provide this medication to these farmers. This reduces significantly the mortality rate of livestock, but also increases productivity because these animals, when they're healthy, they produce more, and that leads to better livelihoods in these rural communities. AI has come as a blessing to us. We leverage AI to provide interpretation of tests that we do, and also to provide medical recommendation to the veterinary officers. We're also able to provide dietary recommendation to the farmers. And with this, the veterinary officers are able to access the information that anywhere in the world could be accessible to any vet. And you can imagine how that helps in terms of democratizing this information into these villages. And these farmers are able now to get better services from the veterinary officers. Livestock are a store of value for farmers in the rural areas. This is where they store their wealth. If someone needs to go to school or if they need to invest, they will buy it and store it in livestock. Yet, for financial institutions or even insurance companies, they find a problem leveraging this to unlock credit to them. With our labs, we're able to achieve this. We're able to test and look at the status of the animals and leverage the livestock to provide credit and unlock this credit that is important to help these farmers grow their farms and actually have better livelihoods in these communities. We're also able to partner with other institutions like insurance companies, cooperatives, and farmer groups to provide this information to them to also allow them to unlock their services to support these farmers in the rural areas.